Hi everyone, welcome to this course on how to draw 3 fantasy characters based on 3 different types of figures. On this course, you'll learn the 3 basic body types that we find both in female and male characters. These 3 figures are pear-shaped or slim, large, and athletic. Each one of them has different characteristics that I'll explain as we go along. We'll also see how we can apply them to design our own characters, in this case, fantasy characters. The course is made up of 4 lessons. In the first one, I'll show you the 3 body types, the differences between them, and how to sketch them for a male or a female character. In the second lesson, we'll study the large figure to create a warrior troll, starting from scratch until we get a very convincing pencil drawing. In the third lesson, we'll apply the pear-shaped figure to obtain a grumpy-looking goblin. And we'll take it to the same level as the troll, a pencil drawing. Finally, we'll draw a magical elf using the athletic body type, and you'll see how useful it is to draw the body even though we cover it up with clothes and fabric later. Lastly, we'll compose all of the characters on the canvas to make a nice-looking presentation. This course is simple and entertaining. I recommend you have a pencil and paper to hand, or you use the software you usually do and draw your characters as I explain each step. Okay, I think we're ready to start the course, so I'll see you in the next video for our first lesson.